Hi guys, welcome back to Isaac Magic Community. I have not been doing much webinars due to some circumstance. As you know, I have some big family issue that is going on for the last almost 1.5 months now. And it will finally be finished on the 11th. So that's why I've not been doing. I just need a stable mind. And those who are not aware that I have not been doing webinars, but I've been posting the setups in the Isaac Magic trading charts, which is the Telegram, okay? And if you look at it, all these setups that I've been posting are doing very amazing. And like you said that we have changed the style of our trading. And it's different now. It's very, very amazing. Our trading has changed. Yes, it has changed. And it's something unique. If you take your time and you go through all these setups that I'm showing you here right now, most of them hit the TP. Some of them are still running. Not all of them has hit the TP, but most of them are on their run. If you look at it, an update for this week alone, you can see that it is very, very amazing. So if you are not in the Isaac Magic Trading Telegram chat, please just subscribe. If you are not subscribing to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, because what I'm doing is that after this, I'm going to be doing individual pairs, maybe once a week, but I'm going to keep giving the signals, the real setups during the week, okay? So take care. Today, I'm going to take two pairs, which is Euro USD and Euro GBP, okay? So we're going to go for GBP daily, Euro GBP daily, okay? And if you are not, like I said one more time, you can subscribe to the Isaac Magic on the Telegram, which is very, very good. I will move everything away. If you are looking at the Euro GBP, looking at the daily, there is something interesting here that I'm personally looking at it. The market is moving very nice. If you look at the DAX and the dollar index, the dollar index is doing something interesting. Now we are here. We started selling from here. I gave the alert on the Telegram, on the trading view, on the Telegram here. Here is it. Euro GBP, this is the setup. And you can see before and after. This is where we were looking for. We took it from the right on the top of the sky. Now we are heading towards the low, okay? So this is our target. So let's see how it goes. That is the first trade that we're gonna talk about it. Yesterday we had this, and today we had this. Tomorrow, what is it going to do? I'm waiting for this to do another pullback, and we are going to sell until my TP will be somewhere here, okay? I'm expecting trade to come and take me, close me up here. And when it close me down here, it will have a sharp reversal. It will just tag in and move back again. This is where we will come out and take another sell later. So we're just gonna close our trade here, exactly here of this price of maybe 0.89500. Somewhere there, we're gonna close our trade, okay? Then we are waiting for correction for the day, and then maybe Friday, we take the next ride today. We are selling this from now until the end of the month. I don't know how long it will take to reach here, but first, just bear in mind that we are selling to close this gap. That's the first target, okay? We are selling to close this gap. So whatever is here is full liquidity for us to take, okay? So bear in mind that this is your money that you want to take. Yes, this is your money, okay? Now we go to 4-hour charts. In the 4-hour charts, I still have a sell open anyway. I still have my sell open. It didn't take my TP today. I was expecting this plane to 88 today. It didn't take. So I'm still in, but I have moved my TP now to somewhere here. I'm not sure which number, but I'll check my chart later. So looking at this now, we have got this trade always in the, we have got this section done. Okay, we have taken all the orders here. And as far as we have finished, we are heading down. This trade is coming down. It might do a little bit correction to give us a little bit, but this does not give you any major correction. It will do this again. We can have this as a running flat if people trade with the flats. I don't trade flat, I trade other blocks. Okay, this goes here, it make a little bit correction for tonight. Then it's gonna drop down here till tomorrow. this is where I want to come out from the trade, and then I'll wait again for a sharp move, because when it hits here, we might have a sharp spike. I don't know what will happen. It's a news, there's non-farm payroll on Friday, we'll have that spike. Then from the spike, we're gonna get down again. Okay, so this is where this Euro GBP is going to be. So what do we do now? We'll be looking for sell. So we go to 1 hour time frame, and this 1 hour time frame, we look for pullback for this to move, or maybe somewhere around here. Give him at least some move up here, a pullback here for now until morning. Maybe it's 5 a.m. UK time. You can take your sell. Your stop loss might stay here. Then we take this sell coming down for tomorrow. Okay, so this is the Euro GBP forecast for you for today, and keep your eyes on it, because the downside, I have been calling this downside the whole day. I'm always alerting my those in the Telegram group, look at the chart, take a sell, and it's doing very amazing well. This is my chart, okay, my personal chart here. It was a buy. I was buying here in 5 minutes entry. I have another 5 minutes entry here, and I close the trade here. Now I have 5 minutes sell. You can see from here. Now we are waiting for correction, and I said that, oh, it's gonna tag here. That's my new research, a new way I'm trying to participate. Why would this tag here sharp and move back again? So I'm expecting market to tag here, make a quick reversal, and come back down. It's a new way. I have discovered something, and it's working like magic. That is where I say we have changed our trading style. Okay, so we keep this tag here, make a pullback, and come down. We are coming down until this level, so we still have all these to clean. Okay, keep your eyes on the Euro GBP. Now we'll go for Euro USD, pound dollar as well. I will give you a short forecast on pound dollar. Where are you? Okay, pound dollar is here as well. And if you look at the Telegram chart again, we're gonna look for pound dollar here, and you can see exactly that everything was posted for them. All these setups are amazing setups. They're all going anyway. Yeah, okay, this is pound yen, this is CAD yen. If you look at the CAD yen, it did exactly the same play. Okay, I'm looking for pound dollar. Then this is the pound dollar. You can see from here that we're looking for the buy, and we took the buy. I actually have a buy, and it takes me, close me exactly on where it hit. Okay, so pound dollar, we are here today, and you can see that it's right under the eye. So what will the pound dollar do? I will close everything again and show you from the daily. Yes, the pound dollar has to come and finish here. It will take either this level. It has come to take this week before it drops. So it's gonna come up tonight here. Tomorrow it will come here, and then we're gonna have this downside until somewhere here. I believe that it might drop from here, somewhere here, that we're going to get. It's going to be a very deep downside to this level. Okay, why would he do that? Well, this is why I said that I have changed my trading style. So this is what the pound dollar is personally thinking that is going to be. It's my forecast. How would he do? I can't say any, but I'm only looking at the pattern. I'm looking for the orders. You can see the first move down. We make a new low, we make another low. We are not breaking the top. That means we are trending down. But this will come and take this block. I'll go closed out here exactly on the top, and they reverse for correction. So I'm expecting pound dollar to keep going up for today and tomorrow, and then until it hit the top. So 4 hour time frame, this is it. This little piece that we have here, you can see that on the daily, the pound has to gain momentum until we reach this level. Okay, this is our level, and from here we are coming to take this low. We're gonna break this low. It's gonna go up here. It's taking this up here to give you double tops, and it's gonna come down to break this low. But when it reach here, like I said, it might give us a sharp move again. It might break here and start without a big correction, but it might just take down straight to this level. Okay, so keep your eyes on the pound dollar for the downside. So we go for 4-hour time frame. Okay, the 4-hour time frame, we have double top. We are waiting for this to give us this top. From here, we are taking this trade down. Get this one up here and drop it down. This is what it's going to do. Okay, any question, we can send me a message. You can have got double a gap there. So this will first need to fill this gap. This will first need to fill this gap. Okay, so if you are not in the Telegram, try to join. If you are not in the YouTube, try to subscribe, because I will be giving you a short video for just 2 charts per day. Okay, so I will call it for the night. And if you have any questions, send me. But as I'm saying, like I said, I've got some few family things I'm sorting out. So as soon as I'm done, I'll be back with everybody the same way. But for now, I need to sort out everything that I'm doing for my dad. Okay. This is where we are. Like I said, we are coming to get the double top here. Let this hit here. I came out from here. It takes me up. Boom. It just gives me. I bought from here and it closed me out. I bought here 2 days ago and it closed me out here. So I'm not worried about this one, but I'm going to take this sell again. And this could be, you can see what he's doing here. We are not going to break this top. Bear in mind that we are not going to break it. Maybe you might just tag and drop. Okay? So keep your eyes on the sell coming. Don't worry about this buy, but you can keep your eyes on the sell. Anything, let me know. Okay? Thank you very much. And then just like, subscribe, and do whatever you want to do to it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you another time. Bye.